Good evening. My husband just surprised me with an early Christmas present. He bought 7 of these mystery minis from Funko. He had, or what is it, like every day at noon this week they've been having
It's a pop-up store.
A pop-up store. And so he had bought Smokey the Bear, because you know we love Smokey the Bear. And so when he bought that, I guess they sell out pretty quickly, like at noon.
He didn't sell out, but some of the items do sell out because most of them are limited edition. These weren't part of the deal though.
So since he was buying this, he went ahead and got 7 of these mystery minis. So let's open them. We are hoping for, I really want the owl from Tootsie Pop. And what was the one that you really want, Robert?
Well, I would like Count Chocula, Frankenberry, or I don't know. Frankenberry would be nice. Blueberry would be nice too.
Blueberry. Oh yeah, I like Blueberry. Who's that? Mr. Peanut? What's the top row? Twinkie and Hostess.
That's Twinkie the kid.
So who's the one on the right? The guy, the boy wearing the eye patch. I don't recognize that one.
He's a Bazooka Joe, I think.
You're right. Bazooka Joe, Lucky Charm. Who's the fox?
I don't know him.
So, and then who's the mummy?
The mummy? I thought he was like a Frankenberry guy too, but like not that. I don't know. I was thinking it was a cereal.
So these are ad icons. So we recognize the majority of them. Let's see. Here, give me the butter knife so I don't like rip the boxes too crazily. All right. And then, all right, honey bunny, pass me the scissors. All right, our first one is, the Jolly Green Giant.
It is the Jolly Green Giant.
He looks really good.
I like that one.
That one looks good. All right, so Robert's opening the boxes for me, make it a little easier. Did I say that or whatever? Who knows what I said? I don't even know what I say half the time. All right. This one, I should like guess what it is. Okay.
We got him.
Yay! All right. Frankenberry, right?
Yeah.
Yay, that's the one Robert wanted.
Oh, that's all right.
Happy about Frankenberry.
1 out of 12.
1 out of 12. Oh yeah, this is, I haven't done mystery minis for a while because it got to the point where they were all like 1 out of 12, 1 out of 12. There wasn't any rarity. This is ones I like. This is actually, oh my God, the Jolly Green Giant, 1 out of 12, I'm sorry. Green Sprout is 1 out of 72. So, so that means some of these are harder to get. Like the owl is 1 out of 24. I like that. I like having different odds. I wasn't happy when they had a lot of mystery minis that were all 1 out of 12. So the fact that some are more rare than others, I like it. I like that. Yeah, it's been like almost a year since I bought any mystery minis. I was just getting so frustrated with just they weren't really having rare ones. All right. Ooh, this is a fat one.
Oh, we got Kool-Aid.
Robert's.
I saw it, man. I saw it.
Oh my God. He looks awesome. Look, you can see the ice cubes.
That's pretty cool.
The little handle. Oh my God.
I like it.
I love him. All right, so no repeats yet. You can, like, I guess I could still not.
No, just open it.
Okay, no guessing. No guessing. Robert's
No,
like,
no
just
guessing.
open already. All right.
Oh, Count Chocula.
Oh, we are doing awesome. We are getting all of our favorites.
I like him. That's good.
So this makes Robert very happy. To make me happy, I really want the owl. That would make me extremely happy.
I couldn't get the owl.
So yeah, they had a big version of the owl, but it sold out very quickly. I'm just trying to, there it is. I'm like, where's the
No touch. No touch.
I'm actually not even thinking, I'm just trying to figure out where to cut it, Robert. Jeez Louise. So bossy, Robert.
Is this Blueberry?
No. Oh, it's Hostess.
Oh.
What's his, he's a king. King Hostess?
No. He is.
You're going to have to look it up. Because I
forget his name.
Sounding completely wrong.
I want to call him something, but I don't think it's...
I don't know because I honestly, I don't like Hostess cupcakes. I think I tried one once.
He's not a cupcake.
It's a Hostess cupcake.
He's a Hostess cupcake?
Is this an Oreo? Look him up.
No, he's Yeah, hostess something.
Isn't this those devil cake? No, isn't it called a hostess? What's a ding dong? That's what it is.
I know, that's why.
Ding dongs. I hate ding dongs. Right?
I want to call them. I want to come up with a name, but I'm afraid of what I'm gonna.
Am I thinking this wrong? Isn't it a ding dong? They're like dark chocolate, and it's just this chocolate that sticks to your teeth, and I don't know why people use the best thing ever.
I see him. Hold on. His name is King Ding Dong.
King Ding Dong.
I almost left out the ding part of it, and then I'm like,
so
be careful.
It is ding dongs I've never ate. Hostess cupcakes I have, ding dongs I have not. Oh, duplicate.
We got a duplicate. Oh, boo hiss. That's
boo hiss. All right, last chance.
Just the Tootsie Pop Owl.
Tootsie Pop Owl. I hope.
I don't know. You just, touch.
I'm sorry. It doesn't. Listen, I am the worst. I'm touching it right now, and I still can't tell you what it is. So, it's nothing.
Oh, the leprechaun.
Lucky Charms. Okay, I like that one too.
You like that one?
Oh my God, look. He's got little marshmallow Lucky Charms on his hand, and he has a spoon, and his eyes are weird. Is that normal? Is that how his eyes supposed to look? Man, he's got some big eyes.
I got it for two of them. I'm glad that something worked out.
I love them all except for King Ding Dong. I'm not really a fan of King Ding Dong, but
I want a Twinkie the Kid.
We got two. One for your office and one for my office.
There you go.
There you go. So anyway, these were, show it again. This was Funko's Mystery Minis, Add Icons, and they're from this year, 2019. Are they sold out, or you just bought 7?
No, I just bought a random number.
You just bought a random number.
Yeah.
That's good. That's the one I wanted. I did not get them, but that's okay. I'm extremely happy.
I was concerned if I bought a full box that it wouldn't be sealed. It would just be a collection of different ones.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't trust it, so.
I've bought boxes, but not from the warehouse. So that's a good question. I don't know.
I don't either.
I don't know. As a distributor, they give you sealed boxes. As a consumer, I don't know. I don't know if they would handpick them and pull out the goodies. I don't know. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.